For me, this doesn't feel like a package. For me, it's a story waiting to be opened. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are unboxing JournalSay. Are you ready? Because I am very excited to open this box just like how I open my journal. Before I'll open, let me show you the box. And you may have noticed horses. And I love this detail. Horses always symbolize strength, movement, and freedom. And in journaling, especially healing journaling, that's exactly what we are trying to reconnect with. Before I'll open this, I want to quickly share something for those who love journaling supplies. JournalSay has shared a discount code for you, which I'll also leave in the description below. So if you feel inspired by anything you see today, you can use it. In this video, I'm also going to show you how I create this cute little phone casing with the supplies I received from JournalSay. And here's the card. What I love about all these art supplies, and especially the box from JournalSay, is it's something functional, something you actually use it if you create mindfully. This is the reason the project I have selected for this video is something we can do as a family event. So I picked stickers, mobile casings, stamps, a lot of different things. Now let's see what is this one. Ooh, this is fancy. Look at these. These are like a watercolor spray. So I often show you in my videos that you can always spray water on top, but this comes directly in the water spray bottles. Let's keep this one on the side and let's categorize them. These are some ink pads for your stamps. This will go here. Over here, these are super soft. Wow, I can even use for my skin, like they are super soft. And how to use it, I'm going to show you in my process when I will use them with the stamps. So, phone casing, my ink, my scissor. So far I'm loving all the supplies, and I'm sure it's like a treat to your eyes as well. I love when supplies are packed with care. Your body immediately feels permission to slow down, and as you can see, even Coco is also feeling so calm, and he just sat next to my art supplies. Before I start creating, I always like to set gentle intention. Today, my intention is simple: to create something meaningful, functional, and expressive without overthinking. This is not about making something perfect, it's about enjoying the process. Instead of making a traditional journal page, I want to try something different, something very modern, something everyone connects to our phones. Kids, teens, adults, we all use them every day. So today I'm creating a collage phone case using my JournalSay supply. This can be such a beautiful activity to do as a family when your kids are around, your teenagers, or even with your grandchildren. Everyone can design their own case, and JournalSay have amazing deals going on, so you can always check the link in description. This phone case I order according to my phone, iPhone or Android, and in one pack you will get 10 cases, like 10 sleeves which can be decorated. And it's super easy, and I really feel that why I didn't order for everyone, so we all can do that. Different washi tapes can be used for this activity, stickers. It becomes less about screens and more about connections. I'm using these collage papers the same way I would do it in my art journal, layering, overlapping, trusting my instinct. I'm not planning too much. I'm letting the material guide me. I'm drawn to this these colors, like all the pink and sage green, and this become like, okay, let's start. So you will get a spark, just one signal to start your creative juices flow. Here I just want to give a try how this paper cutter works, and this is super convenient, especially when we don't want to use scissors, and scissors not all the time give us the straight line. So for my workshops also this will definitely work, and I even don't want to throw this wrapper, so I'm just keeping them in my junk so I can use this. This is the film, or you can say this is the mobile case which I will be decorating. And the best part is both the sides are sealed with the casing. So I have removed one side only and the back side is still there. So even if you will not remove it, your phone will be protected as well. So now let's begin decorating, and I'm not sure what I'm doing, but I know I'm doing something. And Coco is just next to me. So he's purring, and even his purring is like my background noise and background music for healing. Now I'm ready with my colors, and here I'm using Mod Podge, and Mod Podge will give me, you know, the nice clear look. So you can use Mod Podge, or in case if you don't have it, you can use PVC glue, the liquid white glue, but then please dilute that with water so you won't get lots of mark. There is a reason art has been part of human life for thousands of years. When we create with our hands, we activate both sides of the brain. You already know this by now. The logical mind quiets down and the emotional mind finally gets a voice. For children, this supports emotional regulation. For adults, it reduces stress and anxiety. And for older adults, it strengthens memory and connection. That's the reason I am right now in the middle of my life. Like I am 44, turning 44 this year. So I am doing these activities with children, as well as I myself do this for dealing with stress and anxiety. And I always encourage my mother that please try to do some kind of a craft or art. And that's the reason I always motivate everyone to do art or make art as your hobby. Art is one of the few activities that allow different generations to meet at the same time. In 2026, journaling, scrapbooking, and slow creativity are only growing. People are tired of fast content and digital overwhelm. There's a shift back to hands-on mindful experiences. This is the perfect time to return to art, not as a skill, but as a lifestyle. So here I add different paper cutouts, washi tape. It has a beautiful vintage effect. And now I will see something new from my goodie bag from JournalSay, and this is something looks very yummy marshmallow kind of a feeling when a child will get some macarons and marshmallow. And I'm opening this with so much excitement. Now think about it, that when was the last time you felt the same like a child when you are opening anything? It didn't give you the same feeling when you are buying a new bag or something. And scrapbooking supplies or any art supplies are like my dopamine booster. So these are so pretty, and I think I'm gonna do my journal page with this theme as well. So now here I'm just gonna take this one, and I also saw one cat, and you know cats are like so I just grabbed one and I thought let's do this. And here my cover will be my main focus for this phone casing will be my cat. So this is how you get the idea when you are creating intuitively. Trust your intuition. I always say this. You don't have to overthink. You don't have to doom scrolling for inspirations and references. The ideas will come to you. Just create. Keep creating and you will be fine. I want to pause here and show you something important. I've been making art for many years and I still make mistakes. I got excited, didn't check the other side and started straight away. And this is actually where art becomes so powerful. Art teaches problem solving, not perfection. Instead of stopping or getting frustrated, your brain starts looking for solutions. So here's what I'm doing. I am taking a fresh sheet because I accidentally started on the wrong side. So now I'm taking a fresh sheet and attaching the old one from the other side. And it feels it's fixed. This is such an important lesson, especially for children, teenagers, and young ones. Mistakes don't mean failure. They mean flexibility. Art trains the brain to adapt, to think creatively, and to keep going. When kids see adults make mistakes calmly, they learn resilience. They learn that it's safe to try. That's why art is not just about creativity, it's about life skill. Nothing is wasted in art. Everything can be transformed. Today wasn't about making something perfect. It was about slowing down, creating together, and allowing mistakes to become part of the process. Art teaches us something very important, that there's always another way forward. And that's what we forgot sometime when we are dealing with stress and anxiety. And coming back to home, to you and to your art, make you realize what is missing. If this inspired you, I've shared the JournalSay discount code in the description below, and I am loving all the supplies, and soon I will be making the journal page in my upcoming videos, and I'll share that with you as well. I'd love to hear your reviews, your comment. What would you be creating with your journal supplies? With whom you will be creating? That's also another question. And how do you feel about today's video? Don't forget to comment, subscribe to my channel. As I always say, this isn't just art, it's how we learn, how we heal and stay connected. Can't wait to read your comments. Till next time, keep creating and take care of yourself.